So if you want to get your Wi-Fi working again on your Samsung phone, first of all, make sure that the issue isn't within the network itself. Try connecting different devices to the network. Try to use your laptop, tablet, whatever you can. If the problem persists, it might be an issue with the network, not your phone. However, if other devices work fine, let's move on to the next step. So first of all, you can try to restart your device. So hold your power button, choose your restart option, and press it, right? This will reboot your phone, then turn your Wi-Fi back on and check if the issue is resolved. All right, next step is we can try to open up our settings, open up our connections tab, find your Wi-Fi. Now in the top right corner, locate these three buttons, press advanced, and here we gotta find our Wi-Fi control history. So here you'll see the list of applications that have been turning Wi-Fi on or off. If you notice anything suspicious, try uninstalling or disabling the app. So the next thing what we could do is to try to reset our network options. So go back to your settings, locate your general management tab. Here we gotta find our reset option and choose your reset network settings. Confirm your choice by pressing reset settings, enter your current PIN, press next, confirm your choice once again, and you'll get a message that the network settings are reset. Alright, after that we can try to enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. So go back to your settings, scroll down to your About Phone tab. In your About Phone tab, find your software information and find your build number. Now tap on it 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to activate our developer options. Now enter your current PIN once again, press next. Now let's find our developer options, so go back, find your developer options. Here use your search right here at the top right corner, and we're gonna find our Wi-Fi scan throttling. Right here it is, choose this option. And we have to turn off our Wi-Fi scan throttling. After that, let's go back to our connection settings, find your Wi-Fi. Now reconnect to the network. So find your network, enter your PIN. Alright, now press at this gear icon. Press view more. Now let's choose our IP settings. So choose static. After that, enter an IP address. And set the network preference length to 24, right? Also, let's use a new DNS. So as a DNS1, let's enter 8.8.8, this one. And as a DNS2, let's enter 8.8.4.4 and press save. And if this option still doesn't help you, right, sometimes this happens, try restarting your Wi-Fi router. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.